Wiseguy.
Come in.
Oh, thank you.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, please.
I've been sent by the BBC
let's
to
come into the
do some behind-the-scenes footage.
I always thought the kitchen
your,
is the
Wiseguy and Seagull
most
show.
important part of the home. Yes, do mind your
Yeah.
head.
Okay. This is where you
Yes, this
do
is,
your weight training.
This is where I
Keep
train.
fit.
Yes, I do
okay.
pull-ups when I can. Oh, sit down, please. Take a seat.
Could I have a beer, please?
Of course. Help yourself. You know how a ring pull works. Yep. You just pull it. That's the ticket. There we go. Now, I'm guessing that I should call my good friend Seagull into the documentary you're making. Seagull, come.
Oh, hi. Hi, it's the guy from the BBC. Nice to meet you. Did Wiseguy get you a drink? Yes. Good. Let's sit down and talk about what we've been up to.
So last year we've been making a lot of wise guys here, but mainly there's been a physical aspect to it, so we've needed to keep it in shape. A lot of training involved. Seagull?
Yep. Yeah. I have to do this like morning and night. I can now do 3 pull-ups.
And not only that, we watched our diet. For example, potassium, very important. Very, very important. I eat at least 1 banana a week. Hey, I'm outside. Look, we're this is the barn. This is the barn area. This is where we stable a dog, and of course the Sensi bull. Of course, it's important to keep them here because sometimes they're in heat. But something very, very special for you today. We're actually going to do a scene. Get this rubbish out of the way. But clear the set, please. Clear the set. Here we go. Let's take it. Okay, here we go. No. Good effort, but bigger, much bigger. Okay, take go. Again. No, Seagull. Capture the inner Seagull. The wailing, the flailing. Please, go. Take 3. Brilliant! My friend. That's a take.